Hi guys! So, another video of me wearing my bathrobe and towel on my head kasi kakalabas ko lang ng shower. Pero parang ang init, so... Okay, so today's day number of the quarantine. Hindi ko na alam ilang araw na, so... But I want to sit down and make a video for you guys. I'm taking you with me as I get ready for the day. Syempre, hindi ako magpa-full face makeup kasi nandito naman tayo sa bahay. So, naisip ko, why not I share with you guys what I do to look good with less makeup. Well, this is somehow close to the no makeup look or like the no foundation makeup look. But as much as possible, kwentuhan lang tayo, you know. Just me sharing my thoughts about makeup and everything. If you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's start. So the first secret, I think a secret to looking good with less makeup or perhaps with no makeup is with a base or with a good skincare. And you guys, recently I've been loving itong Neutrogena Deep Clean Brightening, the one that has brightening. It's a foaming facial cleanser and I got this last year with no expectation whatsoever. Kaya lang, nung after ko manganak, so alam mo yun, Hagarda Versace talaga ang drama ko, I started using this and nakita ko talaga yung difference after, it's not an overnight success. Parang nakita ko yung difference probably after a week of using this every day, like twice a day, morning and then night. Parang talagang nag-brighten up yung skin ko. And what do I mean by nag-brighten up? Alam mo yung parang maaliwalas ka tignan. Halimbawa, ngayon, I don't look like this before. Parang obvious na I have discoloration over here, like some brown patches everywhere. Lalo na nung pregnant ako, my skin was like so crazy. Ito talaga yung nakagawa ng difference sa skin ko. Parang kahit pa paano, nag-even out yung skin tone ko. Tapos, alam mo yung pagkagising ko sa umaga, parang feeling ko ang ganda-ganda ko. Girl, ganda talaga! So, I do recommend that you try this. But, you know, give this a chance. Like, perhaps use it for a month or something like that. Lalo na kung hiyang ka. Well, kung hindi ka hiyang, that's too bad. Pero alam mo yun, try this, you guys. This and the perfect combo na ito lang talaga yung current skincare na ginagamit ko. Or sometimes gumagamit ako ng mga toners from Hello Gorgeous, but most of the time, etong dalawa lang to. Etong Lino Vera oil. And you guys, ilang beses ko naman sinabi to sa inyo. I also made a post about this. And this is not a sponsored or whatsoever. Legit thoughts to guys. I really love this. Etong dalawang to made a difference. A huge difference on my skin. Nag-brighten up, nag-clear up. Although nagkaroon ako ng pimple dito. Pero parang ang bilis ng process ng pimple ko with these two products. Dati kasi parang isang linggo bago mawala yung pimple ko. Pero with these two, parang mga 3 days, hinog na siya. Pwede ko na siyang you know. It's a bad habit, but you know, you sometimes pop up your pimple. Lalo na kapag may mata na. Alam mo yung parang, dahil umaga ngayon, pero ang init sa kwarto na to. Kapatay kasi yung aircon, so I'm gonna put my electric fan there. Sorry kung maingay na naman, guys. Alam ko naman, naiintindihan nyo. Let me just put on my my face oil. Or you can use whatever moisturizer that you have if you hate oils. Pero alam nyo, kung oily kayo, parang nasabi ko na rin to. At sasabihin ko ulit. Kung oily kayo, use face oils. It will change the oiliness of your face. So, umpisa parang feeling mo gumagrabe yung oil ng mukha mo. Pero, later on, after a few weeks or something, magbabago talaga yung parang skin type mo. And I'm talking about based on my experience. So, I'm just gonna massage my face ng pataas. Especially yung double chin ko. Oh my God. Alright, so next step is we're not gonna use foundations. We're not gonna use concealers. Well, depende sa skin mo ngayon. If you have blemishes, if you have huge acne, red acne, okay, go ahead, use your concealer. Pero, for me, kapag ka medyo okay naman yung skin ko, wala naman akong active volcanoes. Ito talaga doy, grabe talaga to doy. Nung isang araw, it's like, parang hindi pantay yung baba ko sa sobrang maganya. Nakakaloka. Pero yun nga, kung wala akong active blemishes or whatsoever, I don't use concealers or foundation, but what I suggest you guys is use a sunscreen or sunblock na, alam mo yun, hindi bland or something like that. If you want a matte effect, For me ha, parang nakakamat to. Itong Bello Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. It gives me a matte finish and I'm not liking it. I'm a fan of dewy glowy because it makes me look fresher and younger. So I'm gonna use a sunscreen na talaga nagbibigay sa akin ng glow. At nang, alam mo, nalilift talaga yung face ko. So I either use this one. This is from Althea. I had this for a very long time na. Like a year na yata. And lagi siyang nasa bag ko nung pumapasok ako. So borado na yung pangalan niya. Another one is from Etude House. I also love this one. Etude House Surprise Must Daily. Ayan. Available to locally. Ito, this one, available sa Althea Korea website that you can order and then delivered right at your doorstep. So these two are my favorite. Lagi ko na ginagamit to, so let me use this one naman. Ito, super may brightening, bonggang-bonggang brightening effect talaga siya. Ito naman, brightening but more on like dewy effect. So I really love these two. Mukha siyang may white cast for now. Pero pag nag-settle na siya sa face mo, tapos with the help of your fingers, by warming it up, nagiging ano din siya. Papantay din siya sa shade ng face mo. So susunod kong gagawin is the eyebrows, you guys. And you know what? Dati I'm a firm believer na hindi ko kayang lumabas ng bahay or mas kaya kong lumabas ng bahay with just a lipstick on, kahit walang eyebrows, kahit walang eyeliner, no powder whatsoever, no foundation, basta may lipstick ako. Pero after some time, nag-change yung outlook ko in life, in makeup life. Parang feeling ko, guys, mas concrete yung face mo, or parang mas defined yung face mo, not just by your lips, but with your eyebrows. As in, feeling ko okay lang na wala kang lipstick, okay lang na wala kang blush, basta okay yung eyebrows mo. It exists, it's pantay, and it's not like patchy like what I naturally have. It will make a big difference dun sa overall look mo. If I'm going to events, I use pomade and yung mga ganon. Pero for everyday, I just use a pencil. And, hindi na ako parang, it doesn't have to be super duper plakadong, ano mo yun, eyebrows. Kailangan mo lang lagyan ng kulay yung eyebrows mo. Pantay na kulay. Lalo na if you have blondita hair. If you just have black hair, then no problem. Pero alam mo yun, dahil I have patchy eyebrows and I have colored hair, hindi precise yan. As in, ganun-ganun lang ako. Evenly distribute yung eyebrow product and then you brush it. I think yung difference. This is patchy and oh, diba? Diba? Parang mas, for me parang mas na-define yung face ko. Hindi ako hair and then diretso labi. For my next step, you can totally skip this. Lalo na kung ikaw ay binayayaan ng panga at ng magandang bonggang-bonggang ilong. Pero ako kasi, chabilita ako ng bonggang-bongga. Alam mo, payat ako, okay na tong nose ko kahit walang contour. Pero dahil chabilita ako ngayon, chabilita din yung nosicles ko. So, you can totally skip this, but for me, I have to use a contour. And for a more natural look, I highly suggest that you use a cream contour or a liquid contour. Pero depende sa inyo. If you're gonna use like a face powder, you can use a powder contour. Totally your choice. Pero, alam mo yun, just little contour lang. Dab-dab lang ng ganyan. For a more natural finish, I'm going to use a sponge. Ito, I'm not gonna cover it. I'm just gonna let it like that because it's gonna make me look more natural, less made up. I'm also gonna contour my nose. And I am loving the technique of focusing it here. Kasi yun yung parang nakakataas ng buto dito. Mas lalo kang magmumukhang, ano mo yun, may matangos na ilong. Now, am I gonna use a highlighter? Actually, for me right now, hindi na. Kasi dun nga importante yung base na gagamitin mo. So, if you want a highlighted effect without using a highlighter, use a skincare or a moisturizer that will give you a dewy, glowy skin. At since mukhang medyo dewy-dewy na ako, okay na yan. For the eyes, I'm not gonna use an eyeshadow. I'm gonna rely on the natural shadows that I have. Kasi diba, alam mo, hindi naman pantay yung eyelids natin dun sa other parts of our face. We have this natural, you know, shadow. So, okay na yun for me. But, am I gonna use an eyeliner or a mascara? Dati guys, firm believer ulit ako na I cannot go out or look better with eyeliner kahit walang mascara. But nagbago ulit yon kasi I realized that having nice lashes will really make a difference sa face mo. Plus, pag nagmascara ka, it's like you're also applying eyeliner kasi pag nadikit yung brush dun sa alam mo yun, dun sa lash line mo, nagkakaroon din siya ng, black shade and whatnot. So, para ka rin nag-eyeliner. So, go for mascara more than the eyeliner, and highly recommend itong Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. So, this is my non-existent lashes. And then, guys, I focus on the outer lashes and then just patiently brush every strand. You can use pala an eyelash curler, pero wala kasi akong eyelash curler. Ayun na. Tsaka guys, maganda rin na mascara ang gamitin instead of eyeliner kasi pag nakapikit ka or nakalook down ka, you kind of look good if you have thick lashes more than having a eyeliner or thick eyeliner. Carefully applies the lower lash line. So next thing I'm gonna do is the lips. If you want to use less products on your face, you can go for products that are 2-in-1, 3-in-1. Yung updated everyday makeup routine ko, I use a lip gloss. So for now, I'm gonna go for something matte. Really good 2-in-1, 3-in-1 products are Skin Potion's Glam Pocket, Sunny's Face Lipstick. Ooh, another good option is yung mga Color It products, yung mga 2-in-1. Another option is yung Sunny's lip dip, but I want to have an MLBB or my lips for better look. So I think I'm gonna go for Sunny's Face lipstick in Nudist. So I'm just gonna spread it out using my fingers to make it look, a little bit natural. And I also want to kind of brush it na parang overline effect. And then, yung nandito, yun yung gagawin nating blush. And I suggest that if you want to look more natural, use a wild blushing technique. And when I say wild blushing technique, alam yung parang nag-blush ka nang hindi nakatingin sa salamin. Apply lang. Hindi yung plakadong vroom, na ganon. Parang freestyle blushing. Just to warm up everything. Lagay mo kung san yung tira-tira from the lipstick. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, to look better with less makeup is, believe it or not, fix your hair. Like, magsuklay ka, magpatuyo ka ng hair mo using the electric fan, and don't just air dry like this. Kasi napansin ko, guys, sometimes when I just air dry like this, flat yung surface ng hair ko. And aminin man natin, but you kind of look good if you have, medyo blow up, medyo fluffy yung hair mo, medyo parang nagpa-blower ka. And you don't need a blower, you just need your electric fan. Magpatuyo ka ng pabaliktad ng ganyan hanggang sa matuyo siya, and it's gonna give you like, a puffy, airy hair or something. Am I making sense? So, magpapatuyo lang ako ng hair ko, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so ito na ang aking patuyong electric fan hair. So, hinati ko sa gitna, not my usual hairstyle. So, try ko lang. Maiba lang yung style ng bangs ko. Okay, so after fixing your hair, that will definitely make a big difference on your face, on the way you look, lalo na kung less makeup yung suot mo. I highly suggest that you wear earrings. I mean, you can skip the necklace and skip yung mga rings, but earrings will bring attention to your face. No earrings, plain and simple. With earrings, nakadagdag siya. Something. Alam mo yun? So we're almost done, but one last tip, you guys, that I usually do. I do this after I do my natural makeup, natural-ish makeup like this one. And I also do this anytime within the day, lalo na kapag stagnant na yung face ko. And don't laugh, but I slap my face. Like this. Like that. I know it's crazy, but For me ha, in my experience, lalo na kapag stagnant na yung face ko for the entire day, lalo na pag nasa office, parang ang dull ng face ko and I don't wanna retouch or I don't wanna add anything on my face. I just slap my face. Parang nagigising yung blood circulation ko. It gives me glow. It gives me warmth on my face. So, ayan. Somehow nakakatulong siya to make a difference on my face, especially if I'm wearing less makeup or no makeup at all. So last but not the least is totally optional, but for me, I like me some really, really good facial mist. Kahit wala akong ginamit ng setting powder or whatnot, a little moisture on the face really makes a difference. Lalo na hindi lang dun sa appearance, but on the way you feel on your skin, yung freshness, yung cold temperature, somehow cold temperature na dala ng face mist. So what else? So yeah, we are done, you guys. So this is what it looked like with less makeup on, and yeah. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you have video requests, guys, don't be shy na mag-comment sa comment section below, or pwede ka rin mag-DM sa akin sa Instagram at MOR1019Bea. I'll be waiting for your DMs or comments niyo below. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye!